Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna finally get round to my office tour. Oh my gosh, I've been meaning to do this for nearly the whole year. Like, I've nearly been here for a year and I've just finally, I'd say 90% finished the office. So I'm happy enough to show you guys the whole process. I'm gonna take you back to the beginning when I first moved in and how it looked, a bit of all the furniture putting together, all of the updates, and then my last finishing little decor touches that I did to it just this week. And now I'm just going to show you the after. Actually no, I'll wait until you've seen all of that and then I'll do a quick tour for you guys, vlog style, after. Now we've got the office. A lot of plugs, space behind here for something. Here, yeah. I've had this desk for a few years now and it's just squeaky. Yeah, it's not firm, it's a mess. And then I have this like desk thing, mess. Here are all of my stock, all my Oso Curly stock. It's a mess again. Boxes and packaging, and then I have like some stuff for filming, some products, and my vision board, and it cracked. I'm so upset. This is my niece's. My little picture. I found this shelf in Primark and I thought, oh, it would be perfect to put on the radiator because I'm not allowed to put things on the wall. So I'm going to put a chair here, this side table to put my products on. So yeah, this is what it looks like now. We have a drawer. Yay.
Gosh, what is lockdown turning into?
Trust me. So guys, we finally finished the masterpiece. Yes, Ashley did most of the work, not gonna lie. But,
my fingers hurt so much.
We got nails on as well.
I got fresh nails, so they're already aching.
Yeah, but we did
it was worth it.
Yay! This is Ash's little workspace too.
Oh,
so you're welcome whenever, girl.
I'll be here tomorrow.
Oh no, I should have said that. So I'll be back with the final reveal soon. The back, well, the front, the door, as soon as you walk into my office. Here I have some like bits and bobs that just don't really ever get used. These are old tack stuff. This is like a portable photo studio for you to take product pictures in. These are like light stands and stuff, tripods that I'll probably never use. again. So that's that corner as soon as you come in. And then we have, here are some products that I need to give away, so scrap that. Here, still not organised, but we've got some of my favourite books here, like most of my businessy type books here. And these are signs that I did when we had our pop-up shop. Here are some products that I need to do videos with, and then just like my typical hair products, as you can see. So I'm going to organise this much nicer to come. Here again, bits and bobs, and then this is just old. I do want to switch this to something else. If you guys have any ideas, let me know. So I'm not really too keen on this corner of the office for the minute, but it will do. And then we come over here, and here is my bin from IKEA. It's just like a paper bin, which is much better than the plastic one I had from IKEA before. And we have the light switch, and then I love the office because it's all white walls, and I love white walls. It's got great natural lighting. We have, if you're OG of my YouTube channel, you will recognise this sign. I've had this sign since my last room that I was in. It says focus on your goals, baby girl. And then now I recently this week, as you would have seen, got they call this like a print desk or a packing station. So I have somewhere nice and tidy to put my big printer, all of the slips to go inside packages, like our thank you cards and stuff. I've just put a nice smelling wax here, a candle. Here is gonna go because I'm gonna include peanuts in our packages from now on. So this is gonna be for peanuts. This is from IKEA. It's one of their plastic boxes. Next we have all of our poly bags. So this will be full of poly bags ready to go. Down here, again IKEA. This is the Kallax 4 slots from IKEA. This is from IKEA as well. It goes inside. So in here I have like tissue paper and other shipping supplies. And in here I have samples and I guess you could say miscellaneous stuff. If that's how you say it. Please don't laugh if that's not how you say it. Next in this corner I have my Royal Mail bags. All of my shipping bags, like my IKEA big Primark bag for when I go to the post office and need to fling everything in there. Those are in that corner of the office. Here are my product shelves. So the first time I moved in here I had some old school industrial looking product shelves. So I managed to invest in, again these are from IKEA, but it matches the decor. It's all white. I love them. Really nice and spacious. So as you can see up here I can fit a lot of product. And then I've got room here. I separated again IKEA. I've separated all scrunchies. I'll probably get some more of these as well. Could probably fit in another 2 just to separate, maybe even colours. So yeah, those are all separated and neat. We've got shampoo brushes here. And then I've got these again from IKEA. And all of my like pillowcases and bonnets are just in here. So we've got pillowcases, bonnets, kids stuff, different sizes. This is my ring light for YouTube. Should be packed away nicely, but it isn't currently. These again miscellaneous stuff, but it slots in nice and tidy and just away. So yeah, that is that side of the office. And next my desk. So I have this beautiful frame from IKEA, and this whole desk is from IKEA as well. Pretty much everything in my office is IKEA. I've got this candle, again IKEA. I really wanted to keep it like pretty and minimalistic, which is the theme of my whole flat that I love, minimalist stuff, but like pretty and girly. We have 2 books here that I'm reading currently. I finished this book, it's really good. This was a present, I'm not sure where it's from, but I love it. You Grow Girl. I've got my DYMO printer here, which I love because it's like slotted away and kind of hidden, because it's like big and black. It's not really nice and matching everything, so it's hidden away. I've got my labels ready to pack away. It's got great storage. So in here I've got like sellotape and just other stuff. I've got a drawer here full of things, another big drawer here. I've got my Mac, my iMac, and then loads of notes here. So yeah, I love that desk. It's way better. It's got a lot of storage. I would love to hide all of these plugs and stuff, but yeah. Want to get rid of these curtains. Won't show the outside so you don't know where I live. But yeah, so now we have all of the boxes ready and stacked up. So as soon as it comes to Black Friday and Christmas, this whole wall will be filled up with pre-made boxes. So it's just easier for us to pack. Not sure what to do with this here. And these are some samples of future pillowcases. But yeah, that is my office pretty much. I'm in love. Let me know what you think, guys, down below. And if you have any, I do want a new desk chair, but if you have any ideas for like this corner of the office, what I could do, or any other furniture or examples that you think would be good for here, let me know. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Bye.